Friday, 21st of June, 2024. Georgia Highway 53. We're coming up on Amicaloia River, the bridge. We're going to stop at the bridge, I think. We usually go to the steel bridge, but we're going to just stop at the river and look at the river. Maybe go over to the parking lot. I don't know that we'll go down to the trails. This parking lot, people break into this people's parking lot up here a lot when people are parked here. We're going to pull over right here. We've got somebody right on us. We're going to pull over. We're going to walk down to the bridge and get some pictures and video, and then maybe go across the river to the parking lot. Get it? People drive like lunatics, folks. First day of summer 2024, June 21st, first full day. Summer came in yesterday afternoon around 5 o'clock. This isn't the safest thing we're going to do in our life. This is Georgia Highway 53 at Amicaloia River or Creek. I'm not sure which it is. Probably river. I don't think there are any paths down to the river here. We'll stop on the other side over there at the parking lot. But I don't know if we'll go down to the river. There's been a lot of break-ins. Well, I don't know about a lot, but there are break-ins at that parking lot over there. So I don't know if we will go back or walk down to the river somewhere. Now supposedly there is a nice swimming hole a quarter or half a mile down the river from here on the right. There's a path that goes down there to it. If you're going to come up here, my suggestion would be to roll your windows down where they won't bust your windows out and not have anything in your car for them to get. That's why we don't get far away from our vehicle. Yeah, it looks like about a quarter mile down there there may be a nice swimming hole. There's a lot of fishing that goes on here. Oh, that's that path. The parking lot is right up there on the left. I don't know if we dare walk across the bridge or not. We're going to turn this camera off and get some video with the phone cameras. Georgia Highway 53 looking back towards Dawsonville, turning north, AmicaloIa River. There's parking right over here. If you're going to come up here and walk the paths and fish or anything, I would advise rolling your windows down. Make sure there are no valuables in your car. That way they won't have to break your windows out to see what you've got. I don't know that it's that big of a problem, but I do know for sure this parking lot has had break-ins. That's why we don't leave the van very far. Even with the security system, what good's it going to do you if you can't get back to it in time? Okay, we're getting some Insta360 video too. This is a great place. That's looking back towards Marble Hill, Tate, Georgia. Looking across the bridge. Let's see if we can get across without getting run over. Looking downstream towards that'll go into the Etowah River. So Dawsonville is to our left, Tate is to our right. Lane Brains to our left and right. I say there's a very nice, supposedly a very nice swimming hole down there. It looks like it probably is. It looks like a very nice swimming hole down there. Also, there are walking trails and stuff here, but be warned, if you're going to come up here and park, my advice, again, roll your windows down, make sure there's nothing of value inside, because they will bust your windows out to find anything that of value in there. We're going to go across the bridge back behind to our left, park in the parking lot. I don't know if we'll walk down to the river or not. Starting off here, we should have stopped on the other side of the bridge. I didn't realize it was that nice of a place over there. We're going to have to get it. People come around that curve down that hill flying. They'd be on us. Okay, let's turn in here. I said I don't know that we're going to walk down to the river. We may or may not, but I say if you come up here, I cannot stress it enough. Roll your windows down. Don't have anything of value in the car. Nice walking trails fishing. I think this is canoe launch. We can ride down there and then come back. Limited turnaround. We might be able to stop down here for a couple of minutes to get some video. But yeah, don't have any valuables in your car. And like I said, personally, I'd roll my windows down. That way they don't have to break the glass out to see if you do have any valuables in your car. We'll stop here, and it says no parking. We're not going to be here long though, and we do have the land pass. We have all the permits that we need to be here. Department of Natural Resources, the whole 9 yards. We have all of it. Is there any parking over here at all? Help protect our fishing areas. I don't think there's any parking. This is handicap parking. Okay. We're going to turn this off. We're going to stop just a couple minutes and get some video. So we're not going to be here but a couple of minutes. There's no parking down here. There is handicap parking. People would say I am handicapped, but I don't think I qualify legally, unfortunately. Or fortunately, I guess, whichever way you want to look at it. Yes, so you can put your canoe in here. So there is fishing, hiking. Let's get a couple of pictures with the camera, with the other camera, and then we will be on our way. Okay, we got some Insta360 video, but we didn't get anything else. Like I said, there's no parking here except for handicap right there. I think this is National Forest, but I don't know that there's any camping here. I don't think there is. We'll check the signs. I don't know if there's any overnight parking or whatever. We'll stop here just for a minute or so and get a couple of pictures and move on.